Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to buy Bitcoin on Phantom Wallet. To buy Bitcoin on Phantom Wallet, first of all, open up the Phantom application on your mobile device and sign in. Once you're inside the homepage of Phantom Wallet, go ahead and tap on the Buy button at the top right corner. Now, select Bitcoin from the list and specify how much you'd like to purchase. You can enter the amount you want to spend to buy Bitcoin, or you can also switch between BTC and enter how much Bitcoin you'd like to purchase as well. After you are done, go ahead and choose your providers from the bottom of the screen. Tap on the credit and debit card option or the provider, and then choose the provider you'd like to use in order to buy. Phantom's partnership is with MoonPay, PayPal, Coinbase On-Ramp, and Robinhood, which you can select, and it'll help you make your purchase without visiting an exchange directly as well. After selecting your provider, tap on Buy and follow through the instructions to complete your purchase for Bitcoin on Phantom Wallet. That is how you can easily buy Bitcoin on Phantom Wallet in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.